Buhay! Long live, long life, good person, long life. Live and alive, I'm your vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Welcome to my Mabuhay channel, my Reels, and my Facebook account. Also, my Facebook page. Here I am, after a few days after the Kadayawan. I would like to show to you the situation now in City Hall of Davao. There is a peaceful situation here. As usual, this is the life of Davaoeño, including me. I wasn't able to penetrate on the day of the Kadayawan, I mean the last day of Kadayawan, in as much as this place is really flooded with people from all over the Philippines. Some came from abroad to witness the Indak-Indak, Kabulakan, over there, San Pedro. I wasn't able to penetrate the City Hall of Davao was closed in front because the program was held here with the local officials. So today, sharing you the real situation after the Kadayawan last week. This is it now, the situation now. The City Hall is situated in front of Unitap Davao. Okay, that's the Unitap. May I invite your eyes with the Dorian symbol of Davao. Dorian, the land of the Dorian City, the land of the eagle, and land of promise, and land of political will. So this is the situation now. There are only few people going here just to rejuvenate, to just chill, rejuvenation, and everything that we can experience. Okay, so it's a fine weather today. It's okay here in Davao. It's not raining. The weather is just favorable for this day of Monday, rather Tuesday, because yesterday is a holiday. We have a glimpse of Davao City Hall. Yeah, that's it. The signage for Kadayawan is still there. Finally, I was able to have my picture on this spot with Kadayawan, 39 Kadayawan, King of Festival, together in harmony, one vibrant community. That's the celebration for this year. We have the symbol, the eagle, the Agila ng Davao. The flowers are already starting to, of course, not on the real situation, the day of Kadayawan, because I think it's almost 1 week. Just sharing you a glimpse of the decoration, including me. I just witnessed it right now on the day of Kadayawan, especially on Sunday. I did not make it due to many people who came here to witness, to celebrate, to experience Kadayawan. But anyway, this is the post-Kadayawan Festival of Davao that I'm featuring to you right now, right here. So this is my day in Davao City on Tuesday, August, after the National Heroes Day yesterday. Thank you for joining me now and then here in my vlog, and occasionally you can have a glimpse of those people. They're already the photographers here before the arrival, rather the emergence of digital. Okay, sir, can I ask question, interview? How many years are you now here in Davao as a photographer? Live tayo, Mabuhay channel. How many years ka na picture din?
I am already taking picture here almost 30 years.
30 years. Wow. So this are
One,
veterans already your source of income. Okay, so okay man. I would just like to ask question na hindi ba naka-apekto na sa ngayon